Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we're going to learn about media, adding media into our web pages. So in the media there are three basic types of media we could add. Number one, we have images, then we have video, and lastly audio. I think these are the basic media types we could add in our web page. So we'll jump straight in. First we need to create a new page which we're going to hold the media. So in my case I've already created this page with a h2 element, my photos, and in the previous page I connected this page using the anchor tag. Here it is. We have a link an anchor tag that links to this page. When I run it, I can open this page. So in this case my page is still blank, so we're going to start with images. So in our new page I'm going to start with image, and images, they are embedded in the img tag, or you can call it as image tag. And the image tag have this compulsory attribute known as source. So this one shows the source or the path to a specific image, and as you can see, the image tag doesn't have a closing tag, so meaning this one is a self-closing element. The image tag is a self-closing element. So I'll go through the folder. I have a folder here, images, and it has one image as chan.jpg. So from where my page is, that is photos.html, I go inside the images, then we have the image itself. So how can I put it here? So I'll start with the images, because I have to go through inside the images folder, then slash, then the name of the image and the extension. Please look at this again. We have, first you go inside the folder, then the name of the image dot the extension of the image, because there are different extensions. It could be png, it could be svg, it could be webp. So in my case it is chan.jpg. So let me save this and let's look at it. Fantastic, we have an image inside our page. So this is a straightforward way of how to insert images into the HTML. And this is the first way. In this case, images, we have the images in a local folder, and you can also add images from the internet. So we've done this. So if I go through it again, we just, in the source part, we put the link or the path to that image and the file name, and don't forget the extension. So in this next step, we're going to put images from an external source, let's say from the internet. So I'll go through this page, and Splash is a website that has a lot of images. You can see they're open source. So let's look at images. Okay, this is a beautiful one, so I'll open it. You can either download it or you can take the link. So when you right click on the image, then you take copy image address, and that is what you're going to put in our source. So let's add another tag, an image tag, and then the source, you're going to paste that link going to paste that link to our page. So let's refresh this. As you can see, we have that image directly in our website. And it's not only Unsplash, it's any image from the internet. Let's say, let's have this website. I think I'll log out. So this is our website I've been working on. I'm looking for an image, any image. I think this is an image, yes. So the same way, we copy image address, then we create our tag image, and the source we paste the link to that image. So let's save this. Let's refresh this. As you can see, we have our image right here. We have our image right here. So that is basically the easy way you can search. Now let's go to videos, and videos will also do the same. I will start with videos from our local machine or local folder, and next we're going to have videos from the internet. I think finally we're going to embed videos from YouTube. Yeah. So from our local machine, it's just the same as photos, but in this case we are going to use the video tag, and as you can see, this one is not self-closing, but in the opening tag we should put the source attribute. And I'll go to my folder here, and inside videos I have this video. Its name is video.mkg, and its path is videos, then video.mkg, mkva, that is. Okay, so I'll go to videos, then slash video.mkv. So let's save this. Let's refresh my page. Yeah, we finally have our video here, but as you can see, this video is just plain. We don't have controls like play and search. So let's go back to our code, and we're going to introduce another attribute which calls controls. So you can just put controls like this, or controls equals to true. Let's refresh this. I think just controls. Now once you put the controls, as you can see, now you can play the video. And all that. So as you can see, that is easy as that. Another attribute you could add is autoplay. So this means that once the page loads, the video starts playing automatically. So let's save this, finish this. I think it should start playing. No, it doesn't. I'm wondering. Let's try that. So let's save this. Yeah, so that is basically how we are going to insert videos from the local machine. So what about videos from the internet? The next what we're going to do is from the YouTube. YouTube is quite easy because you cannot use their sources directly, so you have to take videos from them. So in this case I'll go incognito, and in YouTube just get a short video. Let's say this one. So So once you're YouTube and you select the video, start playing, you can click on share, and once you share, you click on embed. Once you embed this, it will give you an iframe, so you just copy this, and you paste it in your file. So let me just paste this one. So this one is an iframe. An iframe is used to copy pieces of code from other sites. Okay, so let's refresh this. I think after a while we're going to have, as you can see, this video is different from this one. First of all, this one has its own controls, while this one has the YouTube controls with the buttons, with watching, with share, watch on YouTube, all that. So I think these are the two ways you can add videos into your website. And finally, you are going to add an audio. As you guessed it, you're going to use the audio tag like that. You can also put the src, meaning the source. Let me check if I have any audio files here. Yeah, I have a folder with audio, and I have this trial.mp3. Okay, in the source, I'll go inside the audio folder, then the trial.mp3. So let's save this. Let's refresh the video and the audio. The audio has not yet come up. Let's for it. Audio. Okay, you cannot see the audio. We need to put the controls on, so see the controls so that we can see it. Let's refresh this. Yeah, here it is. I have the audio. As you can see, I have the volume controls, the playback speed, and all that. So yeah, what is it saying? I think I missed something there. Very fast, I'll go through it. So .mp3, let's check. Here we have mp3 in caps, so let's change that. mp3. Let's save that. Refresh our page. Now it has loaded successfully, and it's playing. So this simple mistake, as you can see, the extension was not matching with what the file had. That's why it was being improved. So never make that mistake. Okay. Audio, say from local machine. I think the videos and audios, you cannot just use the reel from the internet, like links, because I think most of them are copyrighted. So basically you can use from the local machine or a local folder, and YouTube for the video. Audio, I've shown you local machine, and images, I've shown you both. So the important part of all this, you must know the path to the file, the path and the file extension. These are very important. As you can see in the structure of my project, I have the files inside the audio, images, videos. But let's say this image, let's remove it from here. If it were in the same folder or in the same level of structure, I'll have to change here. Where is it? The image. Yeah, so in this second case you're not going through the folder, so it's directly, so I'll just put it directly here and refresh this. It still works. So the important part is to know the path to where the image is. A very good thing to do, or a best practice, is always put the resources, images, videos, audio, in the same folder as your other files. Maybe you've downloaded it and it's in the download folder, please copy it or move it inside your project folder so that it can be easier to reference and use it. So thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.